What is alternative connection mode on IPVanish for iOS? IPVanish application for iOS offers an alternative connection mode feature in its settings. We would suggest turning on the alternative connection mode when you fail to connect to IPVanish servers using our default IKF2 protocol setting. If you are unable to connect after trying all of the available options, like changing the protocol or servers on your iOS device, then the best possible solution is to toggle the alternative connection mode button in on position. When you turn alternative connection mode is on, it helps your device establish a connection to IPVanish servers in countries where a connection to our VPN running on the IKF2 protocol would otherwise be restricted or blocked. Turning on the alternative connection mode feature for iOS devices, ensure that you are disconnected from IPVanish before proceeding. 1. To turn on the alternative connection mode option in iOS, click on the settings gear icon on the right side of the IPVanish VPN app. 2. Scroll down and toggle the radio button next to alternative connection mode below the advanced options section. 3. App connection mode. Tap done in the top left corner of our app and then try to connect to IPVanish again. If you are still unable to connect, contact IPVanish support team.